in terms of dealing with the naysayers, it's just important to remind yourself why you're doing what you're doing and focusing on the ones that you are supporting and that are getting value from you. And those are the ones we always look to for feedback. That's how we've evolved our offerings. We would have never evolved into the marketing or the leadership coaching or the team-based coaching if it were not from feedback from our clients in terms of they were saying, here are our challenges, here are our pain points, here's what we need. We wish this solution existed. We wish this market was served. We wish that someone could come along and help us because we didn't create these things because the solutions already existed and everybody was happy. We created them because there was a void in the marketplace. And that's usually where I think a lot of the innovation happens. But with that, a lot of the criticism happens. What's the saying? Like, say nothing, do nothing, be nothing. So it just comes with the territory. I get fired up about it now. I get excited about it because it tells me we're on the right track. When I hear a lot of criticism coming from a lot of people that don't spend any money with us, I look at it and say, wonderful, right? At least we're moving in the right direction because they look back in our history. The more criticism that's coming from there, the more feathers you're ruffling, the more you're on the right track. So I think that's the way to deal with it. And you can play it safe. You can be one of these people that's accepted by everyone and everybody likes and nobody criticizes, but you'll also probably be very unsuccessful and you're going to struggle to grow. I mean, our situation's not unique, by the way. I mean, our most successful firms are also in their markets. They're also receiving the most criticism. They have the most competition. Let's say they've got tons of Google reviews, or they do a ton of things in their community and the community loves them. There's somebody who has an issue with that. Anytime anyone puts themselves out there, they've got some sort of innovative idea, they're making a great impact, that's going to inspire criticism. You see this in everything. I mean, this is not unique in the business world. This is also in the sports world. Christian Horner who's the team principal at Red Bull for the F1 team. So if anybody who watches F1 or has watched the Netflix show Drive to Survive, Red Bull has been, on a tear. I mean, they're on a very successful run the last couple of seasons, and they're getting a lot of criticism because they're winning every single race. And they weren't getting a whole lot of criticism when they were irrelevant. The best way to attract criticism is to win consistently.